In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view closed tasks in ClickUp so you never lose track of the work your team has already completed. ClickUp is one of the most powerful project management platforms out there, and knowing how to surface finished tasks is genuinely useful, whether you're auditing past work, reviewing a deadline that's already passed, or simply trying to measure how much your team has accomplished. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Before we jump in, let me quickly explain what a closed task actually means in ClickUp. A closed task is any task marked with a status that ClickUp categorizes as closed, typically something like complete, done, or any custom status your workspace has designated as closed. By default, ClickUp hides these tasks to keep your workspace clean and focused. That's great for everyday productivity, but sometimes you absolutely need to see what's been finished. And today I'll show you exactly how to do that. We have 3 methods to cover, and the right one for you depends on which view you're working in. Let's start with the quickest. The first method is the Show Closed toggle, available when you're working in List View. Head to the list containing the tasks you want to review. Then look at the upper right corner of your task list and click the button labeled Show Closed. Instantly, ClickUp brings all your finished tasks back into view right alongside your active ones. Now here's a detail a lot of people miss. Right next to that button is a small drop-down arrow. Click it and you'll get additional options to also include closed subtasks and nested subtasks. Subtasks are the smaller action items that sit beneath a parent task, and nested subtasks go one level deeper still. If your team works with hierarchical task structures, which is common on complex projects, toggling those on ensures you're seeing the full picture, not just the top-level items. One important thing to know about this method: the toggle is temporary. Navigate away or refresh the page, and ClickUp reverts to hiding closed tasks again. That's by design, and it's actually useful when you just need a quick glance at completed work without permanently changing your setup. But if you find yourself toggling this on every single day, the second method is going to save you a lot of time. The second method lets you permanently enable closed tasks for a specific view. And again, this one applies to List View. Start by clicking the Customize button in the upper right corner of your list. It's usually represented by a small slider or filter icon. Once the Customize panel opens, select List Options, and inside there you'll find a toggle labeled Show Closed Tasks. Switch that on. Now here's the critical final step. Click Save View. Without saving, the setting disappears the moment you navigate away. Once it's saved, every time you open that particular view, closed tasks will be visible automatically. No toggling required. This is especially valuable for team leads or managers who regularly review completed work as part of their routine. You configure it once and it simply works from that point forward. Now let's move to the third method, which covers the views where that quick toggle doesn't exist at all: Board View, Calendar View, and Table View. If you're a visual thinker who loves working in a Kanban-style board, or if you track deadlines on a calendar, you've probably noticed there's no Show Closed button anywhere in sight. That's where filters come in. Look at the top of your screen just below the Views bar and click Filter. A drop-down menu will appear. From the list of options, select Status, then set the condition to Status Frost Closed. Click Confirm or Apply depending on which version of ClickUp you're running, and your view will immediately update to display all tasks carrying a closed status. Filters are the most powerful of these 3 options because you can stack multiple conditions on top of each other. For example, you could filter for closed tasks assigned to a specific team member, or closed tasks completed within a particular date range. If you're running a sprint retrospective and want to review everything your team finished last week, combining a closed status filter with a creation or completion date range gives you surgical precision. And here's a best practice tip worth remembering. If you find yourself running the same filter regularly, ClickUp lets you save custom views with those filters already baked in. That means you can build a dedicated completed tasks view and have it ready to open at any moment without rebuilding your filter conditions from scratch each time. So to bring everything together, you now have 3 reliable ways to view closed tasks in ClickUp. The Show Closed toggle in List View is your fastest option when you need a quick check and don't want to change anything permanently. Customizing and saving your view settings is the smart move when you need that visibility every day without any extra clicks. And the filter menu is your go-to across-board calendar and table views, giving you the most refined control of all three. Whichever method fits your workflow, you're now fully equipped to pull up completed work whenever you need it. And that kind of visibility is what keeps projects accountable and teams properly informed. Save this video so you can revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. If you have questions about anything we covered, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.